Welcome and hello guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the emotes on Roblox. So the first step is to click on the top right, in the top right corner, the 3 points button. Here you will see three options: leaderboard, emotes and inventory. You need to press emotes in order to use the emotes. As of now I have four, but you can set them in the customization area where you can um, dress up your character. Here I am showing you the emotes that I have right now. Also make sure that the character is movable, because you need it, if not you need to change it in the dressing option. That's it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.